Hello everyone, in this video I'll discuss how to bring clarity in technical writing by avoiding abbreviations, contractions and acronyms. So let's first discuss what is abbreviation and acronym. Abbreviation is when we write only initial, when we are writing MA for Master of Arts or WHO for World Health Organization. So we call it acronyms. But when we are clipping the word, like we write doc for document, so it is acronym. Using abbreviation and acronym, uh, those are not familiar to the wider audience, can create confusion. Same way, when we use contractions, when we write don't for do not, want for will not, especially in the technical writing, so it may create confusion, and it may go for misinterpretation, and it's also slows down reading. So we need to avoid these. So, first, what we need to do with the abbreviation or acronym? First, write the complete sentence, the complete meaning of the acronym, and then in bracket, write the acronym like World Health Organization. In bracket, you write WHO, monitors public health. So it may be that some people are familiar with the term WHO only, so they will get to know the full meaning of it, and those who are familiar with the full meaning of it, they will get the acronyms. And then we should avoid contractions. So rather than writing don't, write do not. Then limit abbreviation. Don't try to write more and more abbreviation. Reintroduce the full terms. So the best is you write the abbreviation, and in the bracket you write the full term. Or you write the full term, in the bracket you write the abbreviation. So for example, often we use ASCP delivery required. Now, ASCP one, when I heard ASCP for first time, I was confused what ASCP is all about. ASCP. So rather than writing, you write as soon as possible. Delivery is required as soon as possible. If you want, then you can write ASCP in bracket. Next, don't open package until Friday. So this PKG, FRI, this may create confusion. So write the full sentence. Don't open the package until Friday. WHO EST HQ in Geneva. WHO established headquarters in Geneva. Now, there are a lot of abbreviation, very confusing to understand. So rather write the full sentence. The the World Health Organization establishes headquarters in Geneva. PLS, please send RPT, report by MON. Such kind of terms are being used and very frequently. So write the full sentence. Please send the report by Monday. Don't use this WhatsApp language. The CPU perf was low. The central processing unit first used performance was low. Perf is for performance. We can't approve W oblique O docs. So what's W oblique O docs? So we cannot approve without the required documents. Without the required documents. NGO opposes GMO crops. So first write this full sentence. The non-government organization opposes genetically modified organism crops. So then you put this abbreviation in bracket. Dr. Smith, RECD, MSG, YDay. What is this? Dr. Smith received the message yesterday. It may be very confusing if you use such terms. NASA launched SAT in 2020. What? So first you write the full sentence and then you write launch the satellite in. So SAT is Saturday or satellite. Very confusing. The solent temp was high. The solution temperature was high. Next is won't be able to attend. Write the complete sentence. I will not be able to attend the meeting. MTG. No, no MTG. Next is the department issued new SOP. The department issued a new standard operation procedure. Right, then you write SOP. Next is please RSVP by Friday COB. I've seen such technical terms being used. So first write what is PLS, please RSVP Friday COB. Confirm your attendance by Friday close of business. The ORG focuses on HRDV. The organization focuses on human resources development. Temp exceeded max level. What is this? The temperature exceeded the maximum level. They haven't updated sys yet. Sys is system. They have not updated the system yet. Here, contraction you have removed and then you have used a complete word. FYI. What was FYI for your information? Project deadline is 20th October. The conf was held in NYC. The conference was held in New York City. I'm not avail for the workshop. I'm not available for the workshop. Please check calc for error. Please check the calculation for errors. Now this calc is for calendar or calculation. That may be very funny. The UN Sec Gen addressed MTG. What is this? The UN Nations Secretary General addressed the meeting. Data call ended in on 5th September. Data collection ended on 5th September. We need additional equipment. We need additional equipment. STD or a CMS, the standard procedure must be followed. Don't mix salt too quickly. Don't mix the solution too quickly. Lab test rests are pending. Results are pending. PLS, right please. Meet HR, right human resources representative. Then you write HR in bracket. ASAP, please write as soon as possible. In the bracket you can write ASAP, no problem. Especially when you are writing technical, for going technical writings. No, please write number. Or participant exceeded X, write expectations. The tech, write technical. Specs, write specifications. Are in right appendix. So this is how we become clear by stating what you actually want to say and bring clarity by avoiding abbreviation, avoiding contractions, and avoiding acronyms. Go through it repeatedly and don't use WhatsApp language for technical writing.